Hi everybody.
Hi guys.
Today we're going to make some Antipasto squares. It's a recipe that she found online. Wanted to try out and see how it goes. We don't have cooking spray on our items over here. We didn't happen to have them today, so we're just using some coconut oil and base, spreading it around. So we're putting the biscuits, unrolling them, the first two.
This is biscuits.
Well, I call them biscuits. They're crescents. Everything's a biscuit to me.
This is some deli. It's very tiny.
Yeah.
Right. I thought it's big.
We're pinching the seams together.
This is the whole.
Instead of using ham, we're going to use turkey.
Spread the turkey like this.
Tearing up in my hand, it's very thin.
Maybe just two. Maybe just
I think it's enough.
one. We need to layer one.
Next, we're going to add pepperoni.
You want more?
It's up to you.
Big one?
Normally, that recipe had provolone, but we're going to use boar's head mozzarella, whole milk mozzarella, a lot of it. Make it even. Actually, should just do one. We're going to put an extra crescent roll on top of these to top it off. And just like before, we're going to pinch the seams, the spaces off. We're going to brush a little more oil on top of
The dough.
the top part of the dough. Can be enough?
Yeah.
Now we're going to put this in the stove for 35 minutes, cooking at 350 degrees. The food is finished cooking, so we're going to get it out of the oven and take a look. Golden brown. We're going to cover this with aluminum foil on the stove top here and let it stay kind of warm, but let it sit for a while. I think it's supposed to sit 15 minutes anyway, and we're gonna be gone for a little bit and back, so we're just gonna let it sit here and cool down a little bit, and then we'll probably eat some of it, because I want to eat some of it tonight. I can't wait till tomorrow. I want to eat it tonight. Thanks everybody. Be sure to subscribe to Cathlaine's channel and see more videos in the future.